join you.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Fake. That is fake. Stop
Hi guys.
lying.
We look like playing Minecraft in here. We make guys.
Aya, we're gonna join you, right, Ayana? But you're lying. I hear it. Do you have TikTok? Do you have TikTok?
I died.
Me too. You don't have the voice chat email.
He had the voice chat.
Voice chat.
Voice chat.
Not voice chat. Voice chat.
Voice chat.
You are wrong, Kali. You are wrong, Kali. No, I'm correct. It's boom chat. No, you
Kali?
are wrong. It's voice chat.
No.
It's voice chat, Kali, right?
No.
Voice chat.
Yeah, you're right, right?
Yes, it's a voice chat. Then am I right? Voice chat? No, it's voice chat. Voice chat. Then am I right? See? And Aya is right there. No, I'm right there.
But he said the same one.
Yeah, like me. Voice
So
chat.
he's
It's
right.
It's voice chat. Then how did you get there so fast? How? Hi, Tayana. Hi, Tamayang. I'll make my house pretty. I fall.
I know it. I don't know my bill you fall.
Because I tell you.
Yeah, right.
That way?
To drink of water. Where is your water?
Why do you look like a dog? Why you look like a dog?
This boy's house is so pretty. Let's go to his house.
Okay. He built his house a window so that he can see anywhere.
my god!
May areas to buntot.
You keep falling.
Yeah. I keep falling. Actually, I keep falling.
No. You
What
lie.
is that sound?
Me.
Stop that.
I'm gonna put a ladder to go up.
Baby, I said buntot.
Istorya dong kay batang sunod.
By the way, where is my telephone?
I can go up here.
Then are you in the boy's house?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be there. So party.
Hi, I keep falling. Let me help you.
I will help you too. What you gonna do here?
Don't play with that because I will help you in doing this. I know how, okay? Okay. I have a ladder, right? Here you go.
Why is this place is all blacker? Lungsan.
We're gonna call it Prefontaine.
Wait, there's for me and Kali and Bull. Yun na, Jimmy. Smoky is here.
That's me. I put that.
Kaya, Smoky is here. I'll build the kitchen.
And I'll build the we already have a kitchen. Oh.
Right here. Kitchen.
What are you doing? Let's erase something in here, right?
Why?
To make it
Pretty. No.
There's a hole, so I will cover it. I'm erasing something, right?
Yeah.
Our house is so pretty, right?
Yeah. I keep saying that because
Now you said the one time.
not one time, two.
2 times.
Then I'm gonna put the bed again.
What?
Because I need bed.
Could someone delete the bed?
Yeah. Mm. I'll put a door somewhere. And also a ladder. There's one ladder here.
Can you delete this?
Everything got No, I fly you. Everything got it. Ito na sa garden. Boy, kaya na.
So we are girls, right?
Yeah.
Oopsie, I'm erasing something here. Can you help? So it make it beautiful. Can you help?
Why?
Because I need help. There's a lot this over here you put.
You know.
What is that?
Dong, kaluhag ba na yung tilong?
What happened?
Okay, finish.
What did you? Symbol.
What that boy doing?
He's building another one.
Why?
This is one that is. Do you want this one?
This oh no, this girl about cover this.
Why?
This girl
Stop asking why.
that girl so happy with that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna color it purple and pink
Why?
because I like
I fall.
mm, just go back up, okay?
Okay.
I'm doing something. Look,
Yeah.
why are you talking like that?
Because you keep asking.
Can you help? You don't know how to do that. You can you put purple and pink?
Purple and pink.
Then you have to ask you.
I don't know. You know.
I'll even play again.
Wait.
X that.
There's no X.
There now.
That is wrong. You do.
Don't do it like that, like that. Who just did this?
Someone.
That's our cover it. Hi guys. No, I don't want you to go. Bye.